Hey, John Kutch here. Just a short video. I still don't have any chicks and I don't have any ducks, but I do have a beef. And that beef is with all these Smarty pants that come out of the woodwork sort of on a yearly basis like cicadas and chirp and squeak about how, oh, thorium does have some dangerous capabilities. Through billions and billions of dollars of obscure means, we could convert thorium into something that might be made into a bomb. Well, here you go, Smarty Pants. None of that stuff works. Nobody who wants to do that has the billions of dollars. Let's look at the number one piece of evidence. There's 4 times, maybe 7 times more thorium than uranium in the world. It's on the beaches of Brazil. It's on the beaches of India, China. All our adversaries have complete access to it, and yet nobody uses it. Nobody uses it. There's not one bomb that's been made in the last 60 years that uses it. So shut up. I'm done trying to explain to you clowns that your little blackboard exercises and conjectures, they're worthless. Reality speaks, and the reality is nobody is ever going to turn thorium into a weapon ever, because the history is the proof. If you like the truth about this stuff, support Thorium Energy Alliance. Can always use a little bit more to spread the word and stop these stupid discussion points. They're not really lies, they're just idiocy.